first. What's that picture?
Okay, that looks like the back of a horse, so I'm gonna say it's a whole horse.
That's correct! What's that picture?
Easy. That's a cat.
Ooh, that sound means you're wrong. It's actually a mustache on a pumpkin that's been used as a soccer ball. Soccer ball.
What? Come on, Sonny boy, get it together. Grandma, please.
Okay, the first person to get their picture right wins a candy factory.
What's the point? I mean, her picture looks like a piano. She's gonna say piano, and it's gonna be a piano. My picture looks like a violin, but it's probably gonna be the bow of a pirate ship floating in a pool being attacked by a bunch of angry mermaids.
You got it both right! Since you got it both right, you not only get a candy factory, you also get $1 million!